So I'm gonna show you how I bhai sahab इतने सारे बाल हैं यार.
Too much. Okay, let's do half.
1,
Yeah.
2,
Just go for
3.
Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Select by Pinkwilla, and today I have a very exciting episode of Beauty on Duty. So I have curly hair and it can be really hard to manage my curls, so I have a favorite way to style them by doing coiled curls. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look by giving our producer Sanghamitra a curly hair makeover. Hi! So tell me, how do you feel about this?
It's kind of very exciting, and I never really had a curly hair, so it's an experiment for sure.
I really want to see you with curly hair.
I am excited and nervous at the same time, so let's see how this goes.
So for today's curly hair hack, we'll need a wooden makeup brush and a straightener. The one I'm using is by Vega. Okay, so let's start.
Yeah, let's start. I'm just so excited with this new look, also because I have colored hair, so let's see how it goes.
So I would recommend using a wooden brush because the plastic brush is too slippery and it can burn your hair, so avoid that. So this process is a little time consuming. It will take you up to 1 hour. So think before you start.
I think I look like the lawyer from the British old times. So wear this white thing and then just don't make me look like that. I'll run.
I mean, that's
is it looking like that? You're being hesitant about it.
I can't say anything. Mirror time. 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. Okay. This is not for me. This is definitely not for me.
Are you kidding?
This is not for me. I mean, the audience is there. Everyone can judge on that.
I think it looks pretty cute on you.
She has to say cute on me.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. I mean, wow.
So I don't think this curl suits me, but it would definitely suit the people who has curls and who wants to, make it more look more, systematic or more curly.
So this was it for today's episode. I hope you learned how to do coiled curls, and if you have more suggestions, comment down below and we'll be back with your request. Till then, bye.
Bye.